Patience, Rami. I'll show you once we get there.
Hey, superstar, you're here. Get in the truck with Alex and let's get going.
Welcome to Sierra Nueva. It's time to fire up our scouting vehicle. One of the best electric trucks you'll see. It's Alejandra's, so you know it's going to be absolutely cracking. Oh, sounds like everyone else is already moving. Come on, let's go. Brace yourself! Everyone's on their way to the festival. We just jumped the queue. Ha! Follow the chopper. Got a surprise lined up. When we're rallying, you'll know it. Festival supplies coming in. Woo! Booms down and then a long hard right. We're back on the route. Dude, being a co-driver requires absolute concentration and... Sorry, double caution, water ahead.
Pretty tough route for a recce.
Who says a recce has to be boring? Mind the traffic, please. First staging area coming up. Now, I'm going to get in the chopper. You take the Ford Focus RS. I'll call your route from the air. Left and right, you go as fast as possible. That's what rally is. Oi! Wait for me though! Hard right coming up. Easy left. Careful left. Medium right. Square right into. Wait, my notes are wrong.
Don't worry, I can see a shortcut.
Okay, I'll scout. You're descending into the craters. But keep going, and once you make the jump, turn right. We'll be back on the route. More pace notes coming up. Easy right. Bumps. Big crest. Easy left. You jump, maybe.
Guess who got here first?
Bumps, followed by medium right. Crest, and flat out. We're cutting over 3 dunes here. Find the jump. Medium left. Onto dirt. Then chicken. Jump. Hard left, followed by hard right. Straight ahead, across the asphalt and back onto the dirt. right. Then bumps. Medium left. Okay, scouting again. Crash the gates into a jump. Double caution on the water landing. Then hard left at the cement carrier, and we'll be back on the route. And there's the road. Easy right. Video right. Into water. Square right. Our drone shows up. Medium right, into medium left. Medium right. We're almost to the festival. Have to get too competitive.
Good, because then you'd both be in trouble.
Please, little cousin.
Team Rally Showdown it is. Hey, Superstar. What do you think?
We'll start things off nice and easy. We know the best, most technical racing is always on asphalt, right?
It doesn't have to be a competition, Ale.
Does it? What else could it be?